Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, I will be showing you how you can code Guess the Number game using Python. Guess the Number is very basic game and every Python programmer should code it and play it for fun. So without wasting any time, let's start. So we will move to our destination folder. As you can see, I have already created a Python file which is titled as number, and let's open this file in VS Code. So the file is opening in VS Code, as you can see. So before explaining the code, I will like to show you the output of game, so that will be easy for you to understand the code. So I will just click on the run button and the game is running, as you can see. So this is the UI of Guess the Number game. So let's read the rules. So the first rule is you have 7 chances, which means to play the game you have 7 chances, and the number which you will be guessing is between 1 to 100. So you have to type the number between 1 to 100. And third is let's start. So I will just write any random number between 1 to 100. So let's try 70. And as you can see, the text up here is that the number is less than 70. Try again, and you have 6 chances left. So here the number is less than 70. So let's try 68. So which is less than 70. Again the same text has appeared that number is less than 68. Now let's try the bigger number. So I will just make it 50. And the text has changed. The number is greater than 50, so which means that the number is between 50 and 68. So this is the logic while playing the game. So I will write number greater than 50. So let's try 55, and the number is greater than 55 though, and the chances left are 3. So I will write, let's say 60. So as you can see, the guessed number was 60 and we have guessed the number correctly, and we required 5 chances to guess the number. And the pop-up is that do you wish to try the game once again. So if you want to play the game, we can just type yes, otherwise no. So now let's move to the coding section. I will just close this now. So as you can see, I have imported only one package, which is random. So this random package is used to generate a random number. After that, I have just created an infinite while loop. As you can see, then in infinite while loop, I have declared a variable n, which stores a random number which is generated by system that we will be guessing. After that, I have written I equal to 7. So these are number of chances that we have during playing the game, and other variable is guess. So how much time we guess the number, so that will be stored in this variable. Then after the simple print statement, as you can see, welcome to the game of guessing number, the rules that we displayed in the output. Then after that, I will declare a while loop which has condition that I must be greater than equal to 1. Initially our I is 7, so this condition will be get accepted. After that, I have just taken user input number, so which number comes in your mind. So the number will be stored in A. After that, we will decrement the I minus by 1 and increment the guess. So we have guessed the number 1, so guess should be increased by 1 and the chances should be decreased by 1. I have done same in this using this two variable. And after that, the checking of the number. If our guessed number is greater than the actual number, which means that our guessed number is less than the expected number, then it should print that the number is less. Then try again. So we have simply printed the same, that the number is less than A. Try again and printed the chances. So this was the output that we seen earlier. After that, if I equal to 0, which means that chances are over, then we should simply print that wrong guess, all chances are over, and we can play the game once again. I will show this output after the explanation. Then after that, the next condition is if A and N are equal, which means we have guessed the number correctly. Then it should directly print that congratulations, you have guessed the number, and that we saw during the attempt. After that, we just printed the number of chances that we require to guess the number. And the third condition will be if A is less than N, which means if our guessed number is greater than the expected number, then it should print that the number is greater than A. And simply it has printed that if the number is greater than A, try again, you have I chances left. After that, I have written the same condition here, if I equal to 0, which means that if all chances are over, then we should not get the next chance. After all 7 chances are over, the pop-up appears that do you wish to try the game once again, yes or no. If we try yes, then the game will be continue, and if I type no, then thanks for playing game appears. So now let's try the game once again. This time I will try to not guess the number, then let's see what outcomes appear. So let's try 69. The number is less than 69, so let's say 68. The number is less than 68, so let's try 70. After that, less than 68, so let's try 65. The number is less than 65 and our chances are 3. After that, let's try 60. The number is still less than 60, so let's try 59. And you have one chance left, so let's try 56. So as you can see, wrong guess, so we have lost our all chances and the game is over. Then the pop-up once again comes that do you wish to try the game once again, and if I say yes, the game will be restarted, and if I say no, thanks for playing the game, and the program gets terminated. So this was the simple guess the number game. Every Python programmer beginner should try this game and enjoy it. Now if you wish to show these skills to your friends and family members, you can just create the executable file of the source code and send them to show off your coding skills. I have already created a video of how we can convert the source code into executable file using Python. The link of that video is provided in description as well as in I button above. I will show you the output of that game. So I will just minimize this file and just come back. After watching that video, this folder will be created in the same directory, and just this will be our application. I will just double click on it. So now let's read the rules. Rules are as follow. तेरे पास सिर्फ 7 chances है. So I have just created in Hindi to make the game interesting. वो नंबर 0 से 100 के बीच में है. चल अब शुरू करते हैं. तेरे दिमाग में कौन सा नंबर आता है बता. So let's type 50. बहुत छोटी सोच है तेरी. कैसे गेम जीतेंगे, कुछ बड़ा नंबर सोच, which means that our number is greater than 50. So let's try 75. बहुत आगे का नंबर सोचा है, कैसे गेम जीतेंगा, इस नंबर इससे छोटा है. So which means that the number is between 50 and 75. So let's try 60. बहुत छोटी सोच है तेरी, so which means the number is greater than 60 but less than 75. Let's try 65. बहुत छोटी सोच है तेरी, which means the number is between 65 and 75. Let's try 70. बहुत आगे का सोचा है, which means the number is between 65 and 70. I will just write 68. बहुत आगे का सोचा है, so which means the number is between 65 and 68 and we have only one chance left. So let's try 67. ऑल गेसेस गॉन रॉन्ग. सारे चांसेस खत्म हो चुके हैं, तेरा गेम खत्म हुआ, पहली फुर्सत में निकल गेट आउट. सो इफ यू वांट टू रिप्ले द गेम वी कैन जस्ट टाइप हा और ना. सो आई विल जस्ट टाइप हा and the game appears once again, as you can see. So you can make this executable file and directly share it with your friends and enjoy game with them. So this was our simple demo of creating the guessing the number game. Hope you enjoyed this video. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.